Hey man, let me show you how to properly set up your time-based effects like reverbs, delays, choruses, flangers, and more in Studio One. What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Wavy Wayne from Wavy.wav.com, and if you don't know yet, this channel is all about helping you to record and mix better and faster. Today, I got a video to where I'm going to show you how to properly set up time-based effects in Studio One. On my last Studio One video, I showed you how to apply dynamic or gain-based effects like a compressor, EQ, that you want to apply as an insert directly into the signal. But for time-based effects, we don't want to actually take over and process our whole entire signal. For time-based effects like reverb, delay, we actually prefer to add some of that signal in and still keep our dry signal intact. To do this, we need to set up a separate channel in our DAW called a send and return channel. All right, so I'm going to be sending from one channel, it's going to be returning on another channel, it's going to be getting processed with whatever effect that you choose. Let's go over to Studio One and check it out. Here we go inside Studio One. Again, just a recap here, I'm going to play a little part of this vocal. I got a dry vocal from Lydia Caesar. The song is actually called Legendary Love. It's been released recently, and the link is down in the description if you want to check it out, because I know you do. I know you do. I know you do. All right, so let's play this.
Everybody wanna feel this type of love. But we built this type of love from the ground up.
All right, so if I want to compress, let's just do a little compression here.
Everybody wanna feel this type of love. But we built this type of love from the ground up. Brick by brick, we built a house that they can't get in. Built a life that will never end. It was written in the stars before we began.
All right, cool. So I did some light compression there. So as you noticed, during that compression, the entire signal was being compressed. For a reverb, it's going to sound really crappy and too much reverb if I put it directly on the track. Okay, now yes, there are some reverbs and time-based effects that have a mix control that allow us to blend between the wet and dry signal, but to get the most out of that effect, it's best to process it on its own individual channel, just in case I want to do some extra spice like add an EQ or saturation to my reverb, which is pro level stuff. Hey man, if you love my YouTube channel, then you'll really love the Wavy Seals Elite. The Wavy Seals Elite is a membership group that offers you way more than you can get on YouTube. Not only do you get one-on-one communication with me at least once or twice a week through our live lessons, Q&As, but we also have multi-track practice sessions, 2-track practice sessions. I'll be bringing along other experts because I don't know everything. So every month we have monthly master classes where you get to learn from an expert in the field. We give each other feedback on mixes and help each other problem solve issues in the studio. As a member of the Wavy Seals Elite, you'll also get access to an amazing community of audio engineers and producers who are all learning and building with each other. There's 2 membership opportunities for the Wavy Seals Elite. You can choose monthly or annual membership. If you're ready to take your skills to the next level and really grow your career in audio production, the Wavy Seals Elite is what you're looking for. All right, now, to add a reverb to this track here in Studio One, what I would do is go down to my send selector. So instead of the inserts on this track, we want to go down to the sends, and we're going to hit that plus button, and we're going to hit add effects channel. They make it really easy. All right, so I'm sending out to this new effects channel. I can actually, now that I'm sending out to this new effects channel, I'm going to come down to the nameplate here. I'm going to double click and I'm going to rename this reverb just so I stay organized. And you'll also notice that that send has also changed its name. I don't like to see a bunch of effects 1, effects 2. I really want to know exactly what effects that is. Now on my actual effects channel, this is where I'm going to apply my reverb. So I'm going to go right up to this plus sign here to add an insert on this effect. And you know, we can just search for reverb. Any reverb will work. I'll choose this room reverb that is stock. We don't have to worry about the parameters inside the reverb for now. We're really just worried about how to set it up, okay? So now that I have that, I have on this channel, if you notice, see if I can expand this here in Studio One. I have this little slider here, right? This is my send level slider. So if I turn it up, I'm sending more signal over to the reverb. If I back it off, I'm then sending less signal to my reverb, okay? So let's just hear that now. I'm gonna turn it all the way up and then we'll back it off some.
Everybody wanna feel this type of love. But we built this type of love from the ground up. Brick by brick, we built a house that they can't get in.
Cool. A really pro level tip that I'm going to share here with y'all today is to actually put an EQ before your reverb. And what you want to do is actually filter out the high frequencies and the low frequencies to taste, of course. But I have a few kind of parameters that I like to work with. So I'm going to hit this plus button and I'm going to go down to PreSonus and I'm going to just grab an equalizer. Let's see. Pro EQ. And on this Pro EQ, what I'm looking for is my filters. So let's see, where are our filters? Here's my low filter and I want to roll that up to about 500 hertz. And then on my high cut, I want to roll that up to maybe about 2K. And this is a kind of, I just want to let one little band pass on that EQ. Now, one thing that I do want to let y'all know is that I do want to put that EQ before the reverb. Right. It is important the order that the inserts are organized because it'll be processed from top to bottom. So basically, I'm only allowing a little band of frequencies pass through to my reverb, which is going to make it sound so much better. Let's hear it.
Everybody want to feel this type of love.
So much cleaner.
But we built this type of love from the ground up. Brick by brick, we built a house that they can't get in. Built a life that will never end.
All right, y'all, that is how you apply time-based effects like reverbs, delays, chorus effects. You can use all of those using this exact same method in your next Studio One mixing session. All right, I'm Wavy Wayne from WavyWayne.com. Make sure you check out the website where you can find other tools and lessons to help you record and mix better and faster. Be dope.